April 2015, Nepal. A massive earthquake with a magnitude of 7.8 caused loss of lives and widespread destruction to property. Let us try and understand what an earthquake is and how is it caused. An earthquake is a natural disaster which causes the surface of the earth to shake and tremble. The crust is the outside surface of the earth on which we live. The mantle is the layer below the crust made of hot rocks, some of which are soft and some hard. The innermost layer of the earth, or its core, is so hot that the rocks have melted. The earth's crust is made up of interlocking plates of rock. When two floating plates collide, the vibrations or tremors pass to the earth's surface as earthquakes. The area inside the earth where rocks bend and break is the focus of the earthquake. The point on the earth's surface, directly above the point of origin of the earthquake, is the epicenter, where the effect or tremor is the greatest. The effects spread around the epicenter in a circular motion and become weak as they move away. The vibrations felt on the Earth's surface are called tremors. The scale to measure earthquakes is called Richter scale. A strong earthquake measures 5 or more than 5 out of 10 on the scale. Some parts of the Earth's crust are weak. Earthquakes happen here more often. People study these weak areas and try to work out when an earthquake might happen. But until now, no one can say exactly when and where an earthquake will happen. If one is indoors during an earthquake, one should get under a sturdy table or desk. If outside, one should stand in an open space away from tall structures.